Today we're taking a closer look at the linear model AK-11 ACP00748 exterior digital keypad designed for gate access control. This keypad is a robust solution for securing your property, offering durable construction and user-friendly operation. One of its standout features is its weather-resistant design, making it suitable for outdoor installations in various climates. The keypad allows for easy programming of up to 480 entry codes, providing flexibility for different users or frequent code changes. Installation is straightforward, thanks to its simple wiring and mounting process. In terms of functionality, the AK-11 ACP00748 keypad operates reliably, offering responsive key presses and clear feedback with each interaction. Users can easily navigate the keypad's menu to set up access codes or adjust settings as needed. Security-wise, the keypad includes features like programmable relay output timings, enhancing control over connected devices such as gates or doors. Its sturdy build ensures longevity, capable of withstanding typical environmental challenges without compromising performance. For usability, the keypad's backlit keys facilitate nighttime use, ensuring visibility in low-light conditions. This feature is particularly beneficial for properties requiring access at all hours. Moreover, the keypad's sleek design blends well with various architectural styles, presenting a professional appearance at the entrance point. Overall, the linear AK-11 ACP00748 is a reliable choice for those seeking a secure and user-friendly access control solution for their gates or doors. If you're considering enhancing your property's security with a dependable exterior digital keypad, the linear AK-11 ACP00748 is certainly worth exploring. Its robust build, weather-resistant features, and ease of use make it a standout option in the realm of gate access control systems.
Check out the video description for updated price. And thank you for watching this video.